attacking anyone with water cannons or any other such offensive, we have to call them weapons dahil nakaka-damage na. So no, that is not something that's in the plan. The last thing we would like is to raise the tensions in the West Philippine Sea. That's the last thing, and that will certainly do that. So hindi natin gagawin. We will not follow the Chinese Coast Guard and the Chinese vessels down that road because it's simply it is not the mission of our Navy, our Coast Guard to start or to increase tensions. Their mission is precisely the opposite, is to lower tensions. And that's right. So that's why hindi tayo, all we do is pagka nangyayari, binubutagtanan ng mga bato natin, ay nagpapadala tayo ng demarche, nagpapadala tayo ng sulat sa China, at